Assalamu everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another lecture. So today again I have a beautiful lecture for you, and once again I'm with you about with science. As you know, previously we learned about plants that were root stems and leaf their parts. Today we will go through flower and like we'll go through that fruit. So we will learn about that today. So if you have not liked, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, please do that, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified with my all videos. If you have any question about English to math science, so you can comment me on any of my video. I will go through that, and you must see all of my previous lectures. That will be helpful for you, and you may learn something new with them from them. So let's start our today's lecture without wasting any of our time. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Dua for beneficial knowledge, provision, accepted deeds. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutakabbalan. Oh Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge, goodly provision, and acceptable deeds. Flower bird. So flower bird, basically what is a flower bird? An undeveloped flower. A flower bird turns into a flower. So you have seen this type of flower that is not organized flower. This is the bird of this flower, this is the bird of this flower. So a bird is basically an undeveloped type of flower, and then it becomes big and it takes some time, and then it turns into a flower. So an undeveloped flower, it's a bird. A bird is turned into a flower, and that flower turns into a fruit. So this is a bird. It goes forms a flower, and then a flower forms a fruit. A flower bird. What is a flower bird? So a flower bird turns into a flower. Okay, a flower bird takes some time and it turns into a flower. And a flower, it's a colorful and bright part of an plant. Like you would have seen flowers of different colors. Mostly are found of pink, red, yellow. You would have seen white also. So these are most common colors of a flower. So the colorful and bright flowers of a plant attract insects and make fruits and seeds, and flower turns into a fruit. So why are basically flowers colorful? On the colorful flowers, you would have seen insects, honeybee types of plants. They take nectar from that, and then they prepare honey. So a flower is really important for insects and the birds. They take nectar from that, and then they make honey. But not birds, they sit on them and they eat their juice. That's very delicious. And you would have known that we can eat the red rose. That is very good for our life. We make perfumes with the help of flower smell. And Pakistan's national flower is jasmine. So colorful and bright part of a plant attracts insects and make fruits and seeds. What is a fruit? It's a soft, freshly part which contains seeds inside it that is used for reproduction of a new plant, like that. And basically a fruit is soft that we eat, and that's very delicious. So first it's a bird, then a flower, and then a fruit. So let's know something about a flower. So colorful and bright part of a plant is basically called a flower. So this is definition of a flower, or this is what a flower basically means. What is meant by a flower is basically it's a colorful and bright part of a plant. So any colorful or bright part of a plant is basically a flower. Let's know about flower. It attracts insects, and second of all, it makes fruits and seeds. Okay, like more process are done by a flower. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. So guys, over here if you look, jasmine, national flower of Pakistan. It's of white color and from inside green color. Okay, so it's a jasmine, that's the national color. It also smells very good, and its color is white. That's my favorite. And then if you look here, this is mango, yellow and green combination. It's our national fruit. So our national flower is jasmine, and national fruit is mango. So here they gave you activity that identify the flower bird. So it's a flower bird, that's not completely a flower. These both are flower bird. This is a flower bird in this, and over here this is a flower bird, whereas this is a flower. A bird turns into a flower, and flower turns to fruit. So this was a bird first, and then it turned into a flower, and then into a fruit. Practice work. Why are flowers colorful and bright of plant part of the plants? Flowers are bright and colorful because they attract insects and make fruits and seeds. Draw and color a flower bird and flower. Flower and a bird. This is a rose bird and this is a rose flower. Parts of a plant. So here if you look roots, so fix the plant in the soil and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then here stem supports the plant and carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, and leaves they help the plant to breathe, make food for the plant. So food and bird and the plant. So as you know, these three we have learned tomorrow, so that day would be easy for you. Fruits. Then the words for fruits. They are soft and fleshy part of the plants that I tell you, and they basically produce seed because seeds are present inside them. Then you again bird turns into flower and then flower into fruit. So a bird into a flower and flower turns into a fruit. And these are the roots, these are the stems, this is the seed that's present in the fruit, and this is the leaf, and this is a flower, and that's a bird. So your favorite fruit is here. Many fruits: grapes, orange, apple, lemon, strawberry, banana, pineapple, cherries, mango, pear, watermelon, kiwi. So my favorite is mango, and I love that. What is a fruit? So a fruit is a soft fleshy part which contains seeds inside it. And what are fruits? How are fruits formed? So fruits are developed from the flowers. Draw and color the following fruits. You can do apple, pineapple, cherry, grapes and strawberry. So I hope you like today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till I take self Allah Hafiz.